Number one says that what comes to your mind when you hear Babalawo?
Hey, okay.
There's no pressure.
When I hear,
No
when I hear
pressure.
Babalawo, I'm always scared. You see, when you said it, I had to hold my chest. I'm always scared. Babalawo, Babalawo. Ah, that's a big word. I'm scared. That's the thing. The first thing that comes to my mind when I hear Babalawo is I'll just be scared. For no reason, I'll be scared because of I've watched a lot of Yoruba movies, what the Babalawos, what they do. That's ritualists. People go there for rituals, and the outcome and everything that comes aftermath of it is always scary.
Eh, before I say anything, Ọlọ́run o, Ọlọ́run á bá wa dá àwọn Nollywood lẹ́jọ́ ṣá, kí n má sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Torí pé wọ́n ti bà Babalawo lórúkọ jẹ́ jù. It will interest you to know that standing before you, I am a Babalawo.
Hey,
And I am not. Don't run. I am a sir, and I am not about. And wait, chill.
like all of you here, are Babalawo.
Yes, and we are not about to harm you. Let me tell you that I'm happy that the first question you picked yourself for was about Ifa, and you said you have heard testimonies, good ones, about the Ifa, that you believe in it. Do you know that these Babalawos that you say you are scared of are the custodian of this Ifa?
Yes.
They don't do anything without Ifa. So if Ifa that you have said, as you have good testimonies about it, so why would you be scared of Babalawos?
Like I said initially, I said Yoruba movies.
Like I said initially too, Olorun máa bá wa dá àwọn Nollywood lẹ́jọ́. Ti get. So tí ẹ bá ní testimony gidi from the ones I know it's physical testimonies, people you know, right? From what you have said so far.
Yes.
So why would the people who are custodians of this Ifa knowledge be scary to you? Why would I, standing here, be scary to you? So you need to, I am begging you with everything that you believe in, especially with the testimonies that you have, to change your notion about who Babalawos are. If good testimonies can come from Ifa, like you have said, not me saying it, I am reporting your speech now. Like you have said, then the custodians of this knowledge of Ifa that you have good testimonies about can never be evil. So you will need to take your mind away from that. All of the things you have seen on Nollywood. Get to know these people themselves. Let's go to the next question. Before I go, Zef, Ọlọ́run máa bá wa dá àwọn Nollywood yìí lẹ́jọ́. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ, ó ń ká mi lára gan. Ẹ ká lọ sí next question. Next question.
Say